All right.
Hello.
Sergeant Wilbur?
Elliot, what is it?
I know who killed that paper boy. Chewy Verdugo. He's hanging out selling reds at the high school. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. That's good work, Elliot. Everything else okay?
Good, man. Everything's cool.
Good. All right. I'll talk to you soon, son. Good night.
Good night, man.
I always felt that a cop and a snitch could form a weird family if they got too involved. Elliot.
Desert. Now, Bozeman and his friends are all thugs. Every one of them's a killer if there's enough money in it.
Oh, now.
Hello. Yeah?
The roles in the TV show Jealous Seasons was kept by Malcolm Finkler. The art director told me that he wanted it, and what Malcolm wants, Malcolm gets. Got.
I'll talk to you later.
You good, huh?
You did great.
See you later, Copper. Bye.
Hey, let's go.
I like it.